Potensic has just launched its newest compact drone, the Atom 2. It weighs less than 250 grams and is designed to compete directly with DJI's Mini series. On Potensic's official website, it is already available for pre-order at $329. The ad title states that it features an 8K camera, AI-powered tracking, a 10 km range, and vertical photo capture. Additionally, looking at this image, you can see that it has a front-facing display that appears to be an obstacle detector or even a LiDAR sensor. If this is true, it will have some features superior to the Mini 4 Pro and could even surpass the Mini 5 Pro, which hasn't been released yet. But let's dive into the specifications and explore the details of each feature of this drone. The Atom 2 is a foldable, compact, and lightweight drone, weighing less than 250 grams. It takes off and lands autonomously with just one touch. With a modern and aerodynamic design, it is practical and easy to fly, even for those with little experience. It takes 8K photos, equivalent to 48 megapixels. This modern sensor captures incredible details and vibrant colors with high contrast, especially in wide landscapes and scenic shots. It records in 4K with HDR technology and features the P-Log profile, a gamma curve used in photography and digital video for greater dynamic range and color grading flexibility. With PixSync 4.0, it can reach up to 10 kilometers. This new transmission system ensures greater range and signal stability, representing a significant improvement over the previous model. It features a new AI-powered tracking system, and its remote controller has been completely redesigned, now more ergonomic and comfortable to pilot, simplifying operation and access to function buttons. This controller allows the smartphone to be mounted in the center for better visibility and easier access to menu functions. The Atom 2 records slow-motion videos and captures vertical photos. With Smart Transfer, it quickly downloads files without needing a cable, making it easier to share content on social media. Another new feature is the set of pre-programmed autonomous movements, with a special highlight for the dolly zoom mode, which creates that stunning vertigo effect. It also performs 5 additional AI-assisted cinematic moves: circle, spiral, rocket, boomerang, and pull away. They allow the drone to execute professional quality shots automatically. It's very easy and practical. It's also fast and agile. In sport mode, it can reach a top speed of up to 37 miles per hour. The camera sensor has also been specially optimized for low-light environments. Once again, AI comes into play with the night shot mode, which automatically enhances the quality of night images, allowing you to capture sharp and clear videos even in low-light conditions. The controller also features 2 buttons for quick access to programmable functions, and the new app displays all parameters in real time in an easy and intuitive way. Afterward, it allows you to view the replay, showing the flight path and additional flight data. The Atom 2 is a very stable and reliable drone, equipped with a quadruple satellite positioning system. It also has optical and infrared sensors on the bottom, ensuring excellent stability and precision. The Atom 2's camera stands out for its high quality, stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. The lens has an aperture of 1.8, equivalent to 26 millimeters, and it features an excellent half-an-inch Sony sensor. It offers 4x digital zoom, 180 degrees panoramic photos, and spherical images. Additionally, it has several other features, making it comparable to the latest professional cameras. The motors are also top of the line, providing plenty of power and stability to handle winds up to level 5, which is equivalent to nearly 25 miles per hour. It also features a new design of propellers that reduce vibration and noise by up to 40%. This new setup significantly increases energy efficiency, resulting in a flight time of 32 minutes. Speaking of autonomy, the Atom 2 is equipped with smart batteries that can be charged individually or simultaneously with other batteries via the fast charger. To boost consumer confidence, Potensic has created a post-sale support network with Smart Service, which is an online chat for help, and Potensic Care, an additional accident coverage service, along with a network for distributing replacement parts. After reviewing all these specifications, there's no doubt that the Atom 2 is designed to rival the DJI Mini series drones. But is it truly superior to all of them? To clarify this, let's compare the technical specifications to see where it excels. The first thing that caught my attention is that, after carefully reading the specifications of the Atom 2, I found no mention of the supposed collision sensor on the front of the drone. In other words, that front display on the drone doesn't serve any function other than aesthetics. This feature seems to be nothing more than a marketing tactic to simulate the presence of an optical or LiDAR sensor, similar to what's found on the Flip and Air 3S. Another feature that Potensic heavily promotes in their marketing is the supposed 8K camera. When we see this highlighted in the ads, it immediately leads us to believe that the drone records in 8K, but that's not true. In reality, the 8K refers to the resolution of the photos, which is equivalent to 48 effective megapixels. As we mentioned earlier, the Atom 2's camera has a half-an-inch Sony sensor, and it records in 4K at 30 FPS. Therefore, without a LiDAR sensor, the Atom 2 wouldn't be able to compete with the upcoming Mini 5. Recent leaks clearly show new front-facing sensors that could potentially be LiDAR. Additionally, its camera might come with a 1-inch sensor, similar to the one in the Osmo Pocket 3, which records in 4K and shoots slow motion at 120 FPS. It could also come with a flight time of around 50 minutes and a range of 15 miles. Therefore, the Atom 2 doesn't reach the level of the Mini 5, as its specifications are far inferior, and it also doesn't compare to the Mini 4 Pro, which has a better camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, a 12 miles range, 34 minutes of flight time with a standard battery, and up to 45 minutes with the Plus battery. But what about the Mini 2 and Mini 3? Would the Atom 2 be superior to them? The Mini 3 Pro features omnidirectional collision sensors, and that alone would be enough to make it superior. But it also has a larger sensor camera capable of recording in 4K at 60 frames per second. Just like the Mini 4 Pro, the camera can rotate to take vertical photos without losing quality. Its range is 7 miles, and flight time can reach up to 47 minutes with the Plus battery. On the other hand, the Mini 3 Standard has a camera that shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second and captures photos at 48 megapixels. The Mini 3 and Atom 2 both offer the same 48MP resolution, but the Mini 3's camera sensor is slightly larger, and it also features a rotating camera that can shoot videos without losing resolution. But its Plus battery offers up to 51 minutes of flight time. Finally, we're left to compare the Atom 2 with the Mini 2, which is available in two versions, the Mini 2 SE and the Mini 4K. However, the Mini 2 SE can already be dismissed because its camera has a lower resolution, shooting in 2.7K. The Mini 4K has a 7.7mm sensor, shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second, and takes 12MP photos. It has a range of 7 miles and a flight time of 31 minutes. These specifications are quite similar to those of the Atom 2, which has an 8mm sensor, also shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second, but takes 48MP photos. It has a 7 miles range and a flight time of 32 minutes. In summary, the Atom 2 is on par with or even slightly superior to the Mini 4K, so the final tiebreaker would be the price. The basic kit of the Mini 4K costs around $300, and the Fly More kit costs $450. The basic kit of the Atom 2 is available for pre-order at $330, and the Fly More kit also costs $450. So the price doesn't offer much of an advantage in this decision. Therefore, it's a personal decision, whether it's worth paying an extra $30 for 48MP photos, but sacrificing the good reputation of DJI. Leave your opinion in the comments, because I'd love to know. And if you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.